Today, the trip's gonna take us to Hoppa, Trabzon. It's in the north of Turkey. We start the day in the lounge of Turkish Airlines, most beautiful lounge where they decided to take out the cola and Fanta because of Israel and Gaza. Arriving in Riza Artvin, most beautiful airport, newly built, and it's the president's hometown. And you can see that the quality of the airport. We had lunch with Adila in a beautiful restaurant, with a beautiful site. The restaurant was called Reese's Park. Incredible meat there. Don't forget the scenic view. The north is really beautiful. We slept in a hotel in the north with a beautiful room setting and corridors. I really love the north because of the green areas and the scenic views. We took you around. In the morning we drove to our dealer in Trabzon, and the road when dry is very beautiful. We arrived at the dealer. The dealer invested a gigantic amount of money in a beautiful dealership, and it's nearly ready. We expect March 2024 the opening. We had an office with a view. How beautiful is this? And it is Oakloop. This is one of our dealers. Of course, we work safe, and safety on the work spot is something different in Turkey. Also here, hanging out of the window, and the mountains contained already with snow. We ended the day in the lounge in Riza Artvin. Beautiful lounge, CIP. To have a coffee, a tea, and wait for the flight to come. And then it was time to hit the air with Turkish Airlines back home. Beautiful tower made in the form of a teacup. And here you see us flying back to the airport in competition with another airplane that was on the same landing trip where we both most probably landed at the same time. It was an exciting 2 days in the north of Turkey. It's worth visiting when you're in Turkey. Just take 1 or 2 days to the north, you will like it. And I was together with my buddy Bader. Thanks, guy, for all these years traveling together. I loved it. Thanks.